Point LLC. Our goal is always to move freight as efficiently as possible. Truckload capacity, digital TMS capability, quality customer services that deliver results. Transparent pricing, easy bookings and real-time tracking. Technology tailored to your business. We know there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution for your business. Use our digital solutions for connectivity at your fingertips, on-demand quoting, tendering, tracking and settlement. Real-time data exchange by automating manual tasks through ED or API integration for full truckload and LTL. Digital Freight Marketplace. Our cloud-based digital platform TMS uses sourcing capacity. Shippers have the option of spot market pricing or contract rates. Carriers communicate with our driver app. External systems integration makes it easy to post, negotiate, assign and track loads. Easy-to-use technology, across devices. No matter how you prefer to manage your business, we have you covered. You can call or message a specialist who can access our proprietary technology platform on your behalf, or log into our web portal or download our mobile app. Get the instant access you need to do everything from booking loads to submitting PODs. Freight carriers. A reliable network of vetted carriers with a wide range of capabilities. The power to pick the loads you want, the opportunity to grow your business. Our network has access to more than 10,000 loads every day. Work with our specialists to help get the loads you want. Whether you're looking for money and miles on a tough backhaul, high-volume dedicated opportunities, or anything in between, trust that we have you covered. Carriers get our full respect. We assign each independent fleet owner an experienced advocate and equip drivers with our mobile technology to lock in loads and reduce empty miles. We want the carriers in our brokerage to be as satisfied as our customers are. We offer dedicated lanes, spot market loads, full truckloads. Our relationships with vetted carriers are a dependable source of drivers and equipment. We have rigorous processes in place to monitor carrier safety ratings, insurance qualifications and operating authorities. LTL Freight. We offer no-hassle access to top-tier regional and national capacity with a single point of contact. Customers using our system can set negotiated pricing. We also source LTL for occasional shipping needs with tailored to cargo types, routes and transportation needs. Expedited Freight. Every one of your shipments is important, but some are more urgent than others. When timelines are tight, our centralized carrier network have reliable capacity for your expedited freight on short notice. Final Mile. Final mile deliveries come in all shapes and sizes. Our carrier network is equipped to handle all of them. Need a 26-box truck, a Sprinter van or passenger vehicle for a high-value hand delivery? We've got it all covered. Multiple services, one point of contact. Point LLC.